Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Potentials Unleashed, and my goal is to teach anyone that watches these videos the fundamentals of basic programming. I do have experience in other languages such as C# and Java and Kotlin and Python and a whole bunch of different languages over the years. I'm self-taught since 1978 when I was 9 years old. There were no such reference material back then. There were no videos to watch. There was nothing like that. So I had no choice but to teach myself, which I'm sure a lot of you are also trying to do. So the purpose in teaching basic languages is because the concepts for programming are pretty much the same regardless of the language that you're trying to learn. So if you're trying to make every program needs to make decisions, you need to do some sort of a loop, and there's a lot of other concepts that are just identical regardless of the language you're learning. The syntax is different. There may be some different commands and different things you can do, but you're basically going to learn pretty much everything, every concept that you would need to know from basic programming languages, which are super easy to learn, some of which are very, very powerful, which I hope to show in future videos. But that is my goal, to teach you programming concepts using basic programming languages. So I'll describe those languages as we get into them. Each video I may use different languages depending on what the project is, but the idea is to do some practical programming, meaning like we're going to do simple games that will teach the concepts, very simple. We'll start off very simple with like a guess my number game. We'll get into a little more difficult programs like maybe a Magic 8-Ball type of program. We'll do tic-tac-toe, we'll maybe do hangman, simple games that you already know how to play, but this will show you how to actually implement them into a programming environment. We'll get more difficult as we go along, as everybody progresses, and obviously up for suggestions or even corrections if you see something that I say or do in any video that you think could be done better, or maybe I'm just totally wrong, because you know what? Nobody's perfect. Nobody knows everything about programming languages. We're all just doing the best we can. So if you'd like to join me on that journey, I will be happy to guide you and teach you the basics of programming. All concepts are the same, and it's just a matter of going through them, repetition, learning them, and I just figured practical programs that you can build yourself will help with that process.